Right, hello everyone of the Bike Trail Nation, all tuning into my channel today. Today I'm going to do a bike check video, mainly for the reason that I hurt my hand recently, and I thought it'd be appropriate seeing as I can't really ride that well, and my front brake is also broken, as you probably saw in the last vlog. Actually, I'll make a bike check so you can see my bike and how I have it set up. So to start off, we have a 2017 inspired arcade frame kit in the lovely chrome red. I got this at the start of the year. I swapped out from the old black Sky that I had. You might know that, you might not know that. So apart from that, we'll start at the front. So wheels, I've got Hope Pro 4 hub on the front and with Spanx rotor, 24-inch rim, Halo Sapphire spokes, and a Continental Danny Mac Air King tyre. I've taken the logos off of these just because they clash a bit with the bike, I think, and I think it's a lot nicer. Pressure wise in the front, I'm running about 45-50 psi, which is kind of the standard all round when it comes to street trials. Working my way up on the stem or headset, I've just got the integrated headset for the arcade frame kit. Stem, I've got this extreme stem. I think it's like the alternative to a Trolltech stem, but I've got this and it's a 90/40, I believe. I think, don't quote me on that. And then I'm running the arcade riser bars with ODI grips. The reason I'm running the shorter stem is because I think in general the bike is quite long, so I thought running the shorter stem would be better, and it is, to be honest with you. I mean, like up the back and up the front's a lot easier, and you can bunny hop a lot easier, and it's just, it almost narrows it down like the foreplay almost, but I don't know, it rides better, I think anyway. So brakes, you might be wondering, I only have one brake at the moment, as you probably saw in the last vlog, because my cable split. If you want to go watch the last vlog, then you can, it's on my channel. So yeah, I'm running Danny Mac MT7 brakes. This isn't actually a Danny Mac brake anymore, apart from the sticker, the lever blade, and the caliper, because the body itself is an old MT7, because the other lever body broke. So it was previously like over tightened and stuff, and just kind of came to an end. Not my fault, but anyway. So yeah, I'm only running run brake at the moment, which is a bit annoying, but you know, hopefully I can get front one going soon. So to move down, we've got a saddle, we've got the inspired new tripod saddle. It's the narrow one, I believe it's the slim. You know, I can't do bar spins or anything, so this one's ideal for me, just because it's more lightweight. Then we've got cranks, we've got the two Descendants. I'm running these because I think they look really nice with the new bash ring, which is on the other side. It's like really low profile battery, so it's really good for clips and whatnot. And I had a battery before that was absolutely like an absolute dinner plate. So it's an obvious upgrade. And then pedals wise, we've got the inspired platform pedals. I did have Crank Brothers pedals, but they didn't work for me for some reason, and yeah, so I've got inspired ones now. Chain, we've got KMC Z610, running 22 on the front and 16 on the back. And then what else? Rear wheel, we've got again a Spanx Sabrosa with Halo Sapphire spokes, and a Continental tyre with a Pro 4 hub, as you can see. Same on the front really, trying to keep it equal the whole way around. And then as my bike just falls over, it's brilliant. I'll show you again at the back, we've got the Magura MT7 caliper, running the Magura discs 203 because you need all the stopping power in the world. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my bike. Again, 45 psi in the back tyre, because it gives you enough bounce. It's not so solid that, or not so soft that you can't do rear wheel spins and God knows what else. So if you've got any other questions about my bike, or you want to find out anything, or any more technical things of why I run it, you know, let me know in the comments below. One last thing I'd like to add, I do run my bars in line with my fork and head tube like the BMX way, just because I find it most comfortable. But yeah, that's been my bike check. I hope you like it. It's starting to rain now, unfortunately. But if you did enjoy the video, please do like and comment and subscribe. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next video. So yeah, see you later.